Okay, I have just gotten out of the shower and the smoke detector in my hallway just started beeping. I have to change it, but I have ataxia, so I can't go on a ladder. I guess I'm gonna have to call for help, but I don't know if I can do that. So I'm just gonna try and ignore it for now. And I guess we'll see what happens. Okay, it is now 10 after 12. I did some laundry and I washed the dishes, but that beeping is really annoying me. I'm gonna have to take care of it by tonight because I know I won't be able to get any sleep with that. I already have insomnia problems, so sleeping is a challenge for me. I guess I'll have to call my neighbors across the street and ask them if they would be willing to do it. Well, I could call my aunt who lives half an hour away, but she's at work and it probably wouldn't be until much later when she actually got them. I guess I'm just hoping that I'll be annoyed out of my anxiety, 'cause right now I'm getting really annoyed with that beeping. I might just break down and call someone, but I just don't feel like it right now, so I don't know, hopefully I'll get even more annoyed with it. It is almost 2:30 now. I think my plan of getting so annoyed with the smoke detector that I would get over my anxiety and just decide to call someone isn't working. 'Cause right now I feel more like, sort of like I've gone numb to the beeping noise because I hardly notice it anymore. Well, I mean, I notice it, but it doesn't seem to bother me as much. But I know that when I try and sleep tonight, it'll be quite a problem. So I better just break down and call my neighbors. I guess I'll do that now then. Yeah, okay, here we go. Alright, so I called my neighbors. Well, actually, I texted them, but they came over and they checked the smoke detector. Actually, it was changed a few weeks ago, so I don't know why it stopped working, but I guess they just moved around and it stopped beeping. But if it does it again, I'll have to call them back over. But hopefully next time I'll find it easier. But I'm just glad I was actually able to do it instead of putting up with that for however long that will be. I spoke too soon, it just started beeping again, so gonna have to call them back over. Alright, so what had happened was my neighbor came over and they changed the battery again. And then 10 minutes later that started beeping too. So he had to come back over again, and this time he just took it off. So it's just sitting in the kitchen, so it shouldn't bother me anymore. Well, I mean, it can't because it's not plugged into anything. But yeah, that was my little smoke detector fiasco. It just makes me worried that what if a light bulb goes out or battery for my curtains is gone, I'll have to... It's not like it will be the end of the world or anything, but the thought of having to call someone to ask for help to do that just... It's really nerve-wracking for me. And I know it's something I need to get over, but yeah, it's just really hard.